Lantern and all names, characters, and elements are trademarks of DC Comics. Copyright 2011. All rights reserved.
Those kinds of bad puns here.
So Ron Johnson is calling on the Judiciary Committee to hear Rick Kavanaugh and his accusers. So to me, if the Ron Johnsons of the
robots than thinking things.
So they may not have the brain power to leave a severed horse head at Stephanie's feet.
No, they aren't capable of much flexibility in the way they interact with things.
It's actually kind of comforting to know that they are not good thinkers.
I have them both in and grill them.
Oh,
Sorry.
That's funny.
Yeah. So
That's almost better than gays.
The vote isn't until June 2020, almost 2 years away, but Canada is now campaigning in earnest. Coordinating that campaign here at the United Nations is Canada's permanent representative, Marc-André Blanchard.
What was that?